So to get started with dimension formulas, draw a simple box like this: height, width and length. So 3 dimensions, height, width and length. When you're done with that, right mouse click on any of the dimensions and show all formulas. Accept. Now come back to any of the dimensions, right mouse click and say Edit Formulas. So the name of this is linear underbar 2, and I'm just going to simplify that and call that H for height, and enter. And accept. Come down to this one, right mouse click, Edit Formula, and I'll call that W for width. And green check mark. And for this front one, Edit Formula, we'll change that to D for depth. So now what we could do is set up a relationship so one dimension drives the other. Now to do that, these all have to be driving dimensions. So you simply click on them, click on the lock. Lock every dimension. Then I'll come back to height, for example, right mouse click, Edit Formula. And I could say in the formula box, height is W divided by 2, and accept. And watch what happens to the W. So now it's turned a different color, and so if we come to W and change that from 177 for 200, and height is W divided by 2, that should be 100. So W is 200 and height will be 100. If you weren't sure, you could come and touch on it and see that it says 100. Now another way of doing all this is to come up to Tools, Variables, and this is where your variable table is. So all this information is in the variable table. There's our width of 200. So you can click on it here and modify it too. You can see it turning green, highlighting. So if you wanted to change that from 88 to 55, you could do it from there also. So this is how you set up relationships so one dimension could control your whole model in effect.